Hi beauties, today we're feeling pretty blue in the winter. I'm just kidding. We're pretty yellow today, like we're feeling happy. But I wanted to do a winter blues type of vibe video because it is winter. I live in New York, it's cold AF, and I'm not feeling winter blues, but you know, that's the saying, okay? Winter blues. It's super easy, you guys. Like, this is an easy look. It's like an easy glam look if you're not really into using 10 different eyeshadows. This is for you. And yeah, let's get into the look. I'm gonna use the Morphe 35V palette for this eyeshadow. This is what the inside looks like. Don't mind this little situation right here. If you have kids that like to play in your makeup, then you know what this is. Okay, you know what this is. I'm gonna be starting out with this shade right here, and let's get into it. I'm using the LOUISE base from my eyeshadow primer. I got this a few months ago and I lost it for so long, but it has been found. So I'm gonna apply this as my eye base. I'm gonna use this type of blending brush, and I like to just blend this out with it. All about blending, the blend game. No harsh lines, blurred lines, only blurred lines. So I'm gonna add the eyeshadow right in my crease and start blending. My computer is so loud right now. Oh my goodness. She is struggling. I really need to get a MacBook Pro. I have an Air right now. I don't know what I was thinking when I got that. I had a MacBook Pro and then I decided to get an Air because it was lighter. That's what I was thinking actually. I decided to get an Air. I thought it was going to be lighter. It's easier to carry with me around and like just edit on the go or just, you know, work on the go. But when the MacBook Air is just not up to par for like YouTube and stuff like that, it's just not. First of all, it's slower. It's not enough space. Although I do use a hard drive, some things like still kind of save on there. I don't know how that works, like Final Cut Pro backups and stuff like that. Like video files will somehow still get saved on there, and it's just slower in general. So it's just not a good computer. Well, it's a really good computer. It's just not the best computer for YouTube. Like the MacBook Pro I had before was so old, but it was working really good. It's just that, you know, it was time to give it up. It was not consistent, you know. I'm taking that same color and I'm gonna start applying that right below here. Try not to get in your eye. I did that one time. Oh my gosh, girl, like it was over. My day was over. But yeah, just try not to get into your eye with that brush, because if that pricks you, like, I legit wanted to cry all day. And then next we're gonna go into a blue shade. I really love blue eyeshadows. Sometimes they can be challenging to work with, but I really love a good blue shadow. There are two blue eyeshadows in this palette. They look really similar, but I'm gonna go in with the deeper one first, I think, and then I'm gonna go into the other one. I'm gonna use this one first. I'm gonna pack it on my lid. Oh, this is a pretty color, you guys. Like, this is really a nice true blue color. If you're a Knicks fan or like a Mets fan, like this is the blue you need to be wearing when you go to the games, or when you watch it at home on your TV. Yeah, this color is really nice. Ooh. I'm not getting much fallout, but it's probably because I'm using this type of brush, which is very dense, and you don't get as much fallout with this. But with blue shadows, you want to be really careful, because when it falls, you get, you know, that dark look, and it looks like you got punched in the eye. We don't want that, okay? We don't want that. You guys, so I got my mom Michelle Obama's book for Christmas. She has been really loving it. She's really raving about it, and now I want to read it. I wanted to read it before, but it wasn't really high on my list just because I have so many things I'm reading right now, a lot of self-help stuff. But now I'm just like, all right, I need to read this like ASAP. So I'm gonna get the audio. I do a lot of audiobooks. I'm gonna get the audio version. I just don't have time to sit down and read. Take the first color once again, and we're gonna just blend out right here. I'm going to use the blue shade down here also. Just make sure you don't get it in your eye. You don't need to do this part, but I feel like this really helps the look pull together. I'm taking the black eyeliner. I've been obsessing over the NYX liquid liner, so I'm going to add some today. So I'm going to go with the bronze, the one that my daughter stuck her fingers into. And I'm going to just apply that into the inner corner. I'm going to put some lashes on. I have been using these lashes. I'm going to use my old ones, but this is a new pair. You guys have been asking me about these. These are from AliExpress. I think I linked them in one video, but I keep forgetting to put them in all my other videos. But they're from AliExpress. They're literally like $2. And girl, like, get you a pair, okay? They are the style E11, and I will try to remember to put the link in the description box. But it's from AliExpress. E11s. They're bomb. So I put my lashes on. I'm gonna do my lips now. You guys recommended NYX Butter Glosses and PRALINE and Ginger Snap a couple weeks ago. I fell in love. Thank you guys so much. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna use lip liner. I'm gonna use PRALINE today. I'm gonna use these earrings right now. This is from Forever 21. I know some of you guys asked. These are from Forever 21. I'm not sure they still exist, but I love bling and I love hoops, so these earrings are definitely like me. Like, they're so me. This is the completed look. We're definitely not going to be sad and going through no winter blues or anything like that, but this look is bomb for the winter and I really like it. Hope you guys do as well. If you did like this look, give your girl a thumbs up, share this video with a friend, it really helps my channel, and comment below your favorite winter dessert. So random, but you know.